Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC for real estate investing, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can avail to form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into step 1. So now, step number 1, understand the importance of an LLC. An LLC or limited liability company acts as a shield for your personal assets against potential lawsuits or debts incurred by your real estate investments. This means if something goes wrong, such as tenant injury or property damage, your personal finances are protected. Step number 2, get the right insurance. Before diving into the LLC setup, ensure that you have the appropriate insurance for your properties. This is your first line of defense and should cover property damage and liability. With solid insurance in place, you're less likely to face serious financial repercussions from unforeseen incidents. And now, step number 3, choose a name for your LLC. Next, select a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming regulations. It typically must include Limited Liability Company or LLC. Be sure to check if your desired name is available through your state's business registry. So for example, if you're living in Florida, you can go to sunbiz.org, and from here you'd be able to go to the Florida Department of State. And from here you can verify if there is any business that has the same name as yours. So you can click here on search records at sunbiz.org and click here on name, and all you have to do now is just type out your LLC name right here, and then you'd be able to see and verify if there are any businesses that has the exact same name as you. If so, you wouldn't be able to use it. And remember that it would differ to each state. So if you're in a different state, it would be in a different website, but they all have a business registry. So you can just search there. Next, step number 4, file articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file articles of organization with your state. This document includes basic information about your business, such as its name, address, and registered agent. While you can handle this step on your own, I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. They simplify the process and ensure everything is filed correctly. Plus, it's only $39 to get started. And now the next step is step number 5, which is to create an operating agreement. Although this is not required, having an operating agreement is a good practice. This document outlines the ownership structure, roles, and responsibility within the LLC, helping to prevent future disputes among members. And now, step number 6, obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check with your local government to see if you need any specific permits or licenses to operate as a real estate investor in your area. This could include zoning permits or business licenses depending on your location. And now, step number 7, open a separate bank account. Once your LLC is established, it is essential to keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a dedicated bank account for your LLC to help maintain clear records and protect your personal assets. And now, finally, step number 8, maintain compliance. Finally, remember to file your LLC's annual reports and pay any required fees to keep it in good standing. Staying compliant with your state's regulations will help you avoid penalties and maintain your legal protections. So that is it for today's tutorial on how to set up an LLC for real estate investing. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, if you want a hassle-free experience, click the link in the description to form your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.